Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the Chrome alert that says a file can harm your computer. This warning can be confusing, especially when you're trying to download something you trust. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to change Chrome's security settings and reset your browser if needed, so you can get past the alert and get back to what you were doing. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three dots menu, then select Settings. This will open Chrome's main settings page. On the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security, then click Security. Here, you'll find the Safe Browsing section, which is what controls how Chrome handles downloads and potentially harmful files. To reduce the warning, change your setting to No Protection, which is labeled as Not Recommended. Chrome may warn you that this option lowers your protection, so be careful and only use it if you understand the risk and trust the file you're downloading. After changing that setting, go back to Chrome settings and look at the left-hand menu again. Click Reset Settings. This area lets you restore Chrome back to its original default configuration. Now select Restore Settings to their original defaults, then confirm by clicking Reset Settings. This can help clear out browser issues, strange alerts, or settings that may be causing the download warning to appear more often than expected. Once that's done, try your download again and check whether the alert still appears. In many cases, adjusting safe browsing and resetting Chrome can help fix the issue quickly. Just remember, if Chrome is warning you about a file, make sure you only download files from sources you trust, because browser warnings are there for your safety. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step fixes, tutorials, and helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.